What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about the most effective and quickest way to earn money online as a student with AI video and ChatGPT. Now, if you've never made money online before, don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm going to share with you everything you need to get started today. And I'm also going to give you a bunch of stuff. I'm going to give you this free checklist that I've been using daily over the last few years. All of this stuff free today. So I hope you're excited. And if you're excited, let me know. Do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. I've recently started sharing what has been working with me, as you can tell by looking at my channel, and subscribing helps me out a lot. So let's not waste any more time. Let's dive into exactly what you need to get started making money online as a student and how this actually works. So if you look on the screen, this is the checklist that I was talking about, and it's called the Digital Playbook. This is going to be your one-stop shop for everything you need moving forward. Now, to get this, all you need to do is just go to digitalplaybook.com, boom, enter in your information. You will get sent this checklist to your email. First thing that I would do is, if you're completely new, is start with the free course. So you click this, it's going to prompt you to log in, and it's going to take you to the AI affiliate agency course, where it shows you everything from joining our Discord community, daily checklists of what to do, what an email is, how to build out your social media post. I'm not going to go through this because that's the point of this course. But if you're completely new, that is the first place you would start, is the course. So what I'm going to be showing you today is what you need to do to get paid to promote other people's products. So if you go down to the bottom, you'll see, I'll go over all these in a second, but AI tools. So in here is about 130 plus AI tools that you can promote, and what I've promoted in the past as well. Now, I've not promoted all these tools, but a lot of these tools I've used, and pretty much all these tools have an affiliate link that you can use that will allow you to get paid when someone ends up signing up for the tool. Now, if you're just getting started, I would recommend Go High Level, because they have a great affiliate program, and it is what the back end of the system is on, and it's how I'm going to be able to give you guys my funnels, my websites, my emails, and everything directly imported into your account. So to sign up for Go High Level, boom, 30-day free trial. This is another reason why I like this platform, is because you literally can get started with no investment. And to become an affiliate of this program, just scroll down to the very bottom. And now all you need is the starter plan. I actually still use the starter plan. I should upgrade to unlimited, but I just don't need it. So it's perfect. So to become an affiliate, boom, become an affiliate and log in, and then you'll get sent an email with your affiliate link. Now, like I said, since I've been using this tool, I have everything for you guys already laid out. So once you sign up for Go High Level, you want to go here and hit import snapshot. Basically what a snapshot is, it's basically a snapshot of everything that I use inside of my sub account, which is the back end of this, and it's going to import everything into yours. So hit import. You're going to go with Digital Playbook snapshot. Hit create a new account. You want to go to account manually, and then it's going to tell you to put in your name, all this stuff. You don't need to do this. You don't need to do this starting off. Just put in AAA or whatever. And then once you do all that, you will get taken to your sub account. So you'll see over here, you got dashboard, conversations, calendar. What I'm going to be talking about today is going to be the automations, the sites, and even some of the marketing. So as you can see, all these emails right here that my team and I have done are going to be inside your snapshot. Automations. Now inside the automations, a lot of these things you're not going to have, but what you are going to have is the Facebook comment automation, Instagram comment automation, the new email opt-in, and the new trial. The only one you need to focus on is the new email opt-in, which has 70 emails already imported, done, and proven to work inside your account. And it is loading. Oh no. Let's try it again because I want to show you guys. And here we go. So this is the automation of 70 plus emails. Basically, what this allows you to do is it allows you to send emails to people that sign up and promote an affiliate link. Now, what we've done, which is super easy, is see where it says custom values. So this is going to allow you to put your affiliate link in, and it's automatically going to get connected to everywhere that has this like clickable link. And how you do that is we're going to go back to the main page, go down to settings. You're going to want to go to the left-hand menu, go to custom values, and then this is where you're going to put your custom value. So if for you, you're just going to hit new, type in affiliate link, and then enter the value, which is going to be your custom link, and then hit create. But I've already done that. So let me look up mine and see if it comes up. Boom, affiliate link, boom. And then that is my affiliate link. Obviously yours isn't going to look like that. I actually bought a domain so I can do a little bit more tracking on the back end. But when you're starting off, don't worry about that. That is where you're going to put your affiliate link. So we covered all this. Now the big question is, how do you start making money? And how you start making money? Yeah. And it is going to be from content. And lucky for you, inside the digital playbook, there is a bunch of done for you content already pulled and laid out for you in these drives. So if you can see over here, my team has went through, and some of the top creators in the marketing AI space, we have, repurposed or duplicated their content to where all you have to do is click here, and that is going to allow you to download the content, let you post it on your profile. And the whole point of this is to get views, which is going to allow for you to start pushing people to your affiliate link or whatever tool you're promoting. Granted, this is a good way for you to get started, but I will say, if you want the best type of engagement, it's not going to hurt for you to start making your own content with yourself in the videos. But we do this because I know a lot of you guys, the barrier for creating content is you don't want to be on camera. So this is a great way to build your profile and get started. Now, once you have all this, you want to go back to high level, go to marketing, and you're able to connect your accounts up here and then schedule out all your content. Now, I don't use this as a scheduler. I don't know why it's doing this up here, but I don't use this as a scheduler. I actually use Radar to schedule out my content. And a lot of the times I just post directly on the app. So I use Radar. Let's go to AI tools. Great tool. I think it's only $30, but if you don't want to do anything as far as investment, just use high level. It is perfect enough. And Radar, but you'll go here, sign up, or not sign up, but connect all your accounts. And then you're going to want to download those videos, the pre-made videos, onto your computer. And then you want to go to over here to media storage, and then just upload all the short form videos in here so you can schedule them out in your marketing schedule or planner is what it's called. So we're constantly uploading new videos, new IG reels, but if you're watching this, you need to take action now, because you wouldn't be watching this if you didn't want to start making money online. So go here, download it. And I will say, I just hit this. If you're watching this video, you're not gonna make this in 30 days, probably. Very highly unlikely. And that is where people get it wrong. And great podcast, by the way. I was about to just start rambling, but I'm about to end the video because it's been 12 minutes. And honestly, if you've made it to 12 minutes, if you're listening to this right now, then you're in it for the long haul. And please leave a comment, because if you leave a comment, I'm going to do this. If you leave a comment and say, I will personally reach out to you, hop on a call, and get everything set up. Because I know from looking at my past analytics that I get no views on these videos. And if you actually watch all the way here, I will set up everything for you. Hop on a call, because this stuff works and I can help you. Stay focused, stay strong, happy money making. Have a great day.